For this exercise, we're going to call it a low bear to high bear transition. This starts to tie in a lot more pieces than just many more pieces than just the initial hip hinge exercises. In this exercise, we're getting connection through our big toes. So we're getting toe and ankle range of motion, calf, actually isometric calf strength. We're getting core connection of our arms into our abs by lifting the knees. And then we're working still on that hip crease. So as I push from low bear up into high bear, I'm not getting low back rounding or low back flexion. My low back should still be nice and neutral as I transition into more of an acute angle, or when I transfer into more hip flexion. So again, this is taking into account many more pieces than just hip hinging, but it's a wonderful way to get a lot done in one exercise. So you're going to start with your hands under your shoulders, toes tucked under, knees under your hips. You're going to find that nice alignment here where we're tucking the chin, lengthening through the back of the neck, broadening the shoulder blades, but not rounding, and neutral through the lower back. Again, this is where a mirror or your phone to check where you are might be helpful, because sometimes it can be hard to feel initially. Once you've set that, it shouldn't change throughout the rest of the exercise. So you're going to lift your knees and feel that core engage immediately. Start to press through the big toe mounds and heels of your hands, sticking your hips up and back as your chest comes through your arms. You should be looking back between your feet. Your knees should be out over your toes, and your elbows should be fairly straight, but not locked or hyperextended. And then from here, we lower back into bear. If you need to rest, you can put your knees down, and we'll go through it one more time. So we're lifting, we're getting the alignment, lifting the knees, pressing your hips up and back, being sure to keep the tailbone up toward the ceiling to keep length through your lower back, not rounding, and then pull back to the start. Again, move slow. The slower you move, the better you're going to be able to control where the movement is coming from. You should feel this is a good workout, even getting some cardio involved. So if we want one exercise that puts the hip hinge into a very functional pattern for a lot of reasons, this is it.